Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, I hope that you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today I am here just for practicing English language. Actually, I want to improve my English language so that I try to practice regularly. And I will suggest you that if you want to speak English speedily, fluently, smartly, then I will say that just practice regularly. Inshallah, after some days, you will be able to speak properly, fluently, inshallah. Because actually, English is a language, English is an international language, we know that. So, if you want to learn any language, you have to practice, just practice. Of course, you have to know some words, and of course, you have to know the sentence structure. After that, if you practice regularly, inshallah, after some days or after some month, you will be able to speak clearly, smoothly, inshallah. No more today. Please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.